Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Are you ready for speaking test?
Yes.
Alright, can you introduce yourself to me, please?
Okay, my name is Anan. I am 12 years old and I'm learning in school Time City. My favorite activity when in free time is playing video games with my friend and watching TVs. When I'm watching TVs,
TVs? You watching two at one time?
When I watch TVs, I usually watch like cartoon or the action films.
Alright.
Okay.
And
I'm doing sport like about 4 times a week.
4 times a week?
Yes.
Alright, what sports are you doing?
I'm swimming and playing basketball.
Nice job, good job. So, if we have to look at slide number 1 here, what do you see in the picture?
I see viruses.
And what's your understanding of viruses, Wana?
Viruses are very small, it's human, and it is invisible to our naked eye.
Good job.
We need to use a microscope to see it. Viruses have many kinds, and they can cause many illnesses and diseases like
okay, hold on.
cancer.
Right, like cancer, right? That's fine. Now, what virus is this?
This is influenza virus.
What do we know it as?
Flu.
The flu virus, right? So tell me, what symptoms do we get when we are infected?
We can have a runny nose, a bad chest, a cough. We also lethargic and
Lethargic, good word. Nice. And what about your?
We'll feel you have a high temperature.
That's good. Well done. Very good. Lethargic is one of the good ones I told you. Good one, man. So tell me, how can these flu viruses get into your body, Jona?
It can go into your body by the spraying in the air or the bodily fluids.
Okay, good job. Now, how can we protect ourselves from these viruses?
We need to washing our hands regularly, and when you have this influenza, you need to go to the doctor or having medicine. You also need to having vaccine to protect yourself from being infected by this virus.
That's cool, man. So fighting viruses. So tell me, tell me about the barriers. How does the immune system protect us from viruses?
What can you say?
How does the immune system protect us from viruses? I'm talking about stomach, nose, hairs, white blood cells.
First, to say about the nose. In our nose, there are nose hair to trap the virus, and they won't let it into your body. In our stomach, there is very strong acid, and they can kill a virus. Our skin work like an armor, so the viruses can go into your body. And the last one is the most important, is the white blood cell. When the virus go into your blood, the white blood cell will kill the virus, so you won't have illnesses or disease.
That's a good one. That's what I want, mate. Good job. Now let's talk about the respiratory system, right? What does the respiratory system help you do?
To inhale and exhale.
Okay, good job. So what's this here?
It's nasal passage.
Nasal, right?
It is nose. It is trachea.
Good job.
It is lungs. And the last one is diaphragm.
Good job. So tell me, what about this?
This is the vein. That one is the artery. This is our heart. And the last one is capillaries.
Good job. So tell me, right, now we're going to be talking about the system, right? Tell me, how do they work in conjunction together?
When we inhale, the diaphragm help our lungs to expand.
Good job.
When the oxygen will go through the trachea to the lungs, and the capillaries will take the blood that have oxygen to our heart. The heart will pump the blood that have oxygen to our cells and our whole body, and they will exhale the carbon dioxide.
Good job, mate. You're really good at articulating your ideas once you understand something, Joanna. That's what I like about you, yeah? Once you understand something, you really know how to explain it well. It's really good about you, yeah? Keep up that work. Now, when I'm talking about something else like exercise, right? Tell me, do you do exercise in sport?
Yes, I do it very often, about 3 or 4 times a week.
So what exercise or sport do you do in particular?
I'm swimming and playing basketball.
Because it's a summer holiday, right? So in the winter it will change, right?
Yes.
Okay, sound. So do you think you should be exercising more, or do you think you have a pretty good balance right there?
I think 4 times a week is a good balance. But I think you can also do more to help your body to be more healthier and stronger.
That's good, man. Well done. So, if you had to give me some advice, right? You know, I'm unhealthy and stuff. What advice would you give me to stay healthy?
I think you need to have a balanced and healthy diet to help you to stay fit and to stay healthy. You also need to doing exercise and sport regularly, because they will help you to stay fit and being very healthy. And you also need to drink enough water a day, like 2 liters a day, and you also need to sleep enough, at least 8 hours a day.
That's really good, man. Nice. Well done, Rona.
Okay.
I like it, bro. Cheers,